Think about your morning routine today. Maybe someone helped you find your shoes, or you poured a bowl of cereal for your younger sister. We often take these small, daily moments for granted, but those quiet interactions are the foundation of our entire lives. We call this group of people a family. Whether you are brought together by birth, marriage, or adoption, you are part of a team that stays connected through life. This team exists to provide us with a safe place to sleep, a steady supply of food, and the emotional support we need to grow. From the outside, homes look different from one another, but on the inside, they all run on the same engine of connection and care. When we talk about the people living under our own roof, usually parents and siblings, we are talking about our immediate family. But the circle is often wider. Our extended family includes grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Sometimes relatives move away for work or school. But distance does not break the connection. A cousin living 1,000 miles away remains a vital part of your family. True family ties are built on shared history and looking out for one another. Living in the same physical house is a choice, not a requirement for love. While every family provides support, households organize themselves in different ways. Across society, we generally see three main structures. This is a nuclear family, a small, focused group of parents and children sharing one home. Then there are joint families, where several generations, from grandparents to cousins, live together and share everything they have, from chores to expenses. We also see single-parent families. In this home, one parent carries the full responsibility of raising the children and keeping the household running. Society relies on all three of these structures. They look different on paper, but their ability to raise healthy, happy human beings is exactly the same. To make these homes work, everyone takes on a role. A parent provides for needs, a grandparent shares wisdom and stories, and a child watches and learns. Sometimes these roles mean helping each other through hard times. If an uncle loses his job, the rest of the family might chip in to buy clothes for his children to make sure no one feels left out. If you look at this timeline, you can see how our responsibilities shift as we grow. At age 5, a child is mostly cared for. By age 10, they might set the dinner table. By 15, they might go to the market for the family groceries. Helping with the laundry or buying food helps a child learn how to handle much bigger challenges later in life. Because family members are willing to change their roles and share the work, the entire household becomes resilient. They can survive job changes or illness because they act as one unit. A family is our very first school. It teaches us how to be good people through the small things we do every day. When you help with the dishes or care for an elderly relative, you are practicing seva, the value of selfless service. When you give up a toy or a treat so your sibling can have it instead, you are practicing tyaga, or sacrifice. Practicing these small acts of kindness and duty at home builds the habits we need to be helpful, reliable members of our wider community. The routines you share with your family are actually preparing you for life. They help you understand your culture and teach you how to contribute to a group. If you zoom out, a neighborhood or a community is really just a collection of these different families living and working side by side. Think about your own home. What kind of family structure do you have? And more importantly, what role do you fulfill every day to help your family thrive? Recognizing how you help your own family is the first step toward figuring out how you can help the rest of the world.